Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really easy enchilada recipe, but this is not your regular enchiladas. These are white chicken enchiladas. Some people also call them sour cream white chicken enchiladas. But if you'd like to see how this recipe comes together, keep watching. Here are the ingredients that I use to make these white chicken enchiladas. Don't forget that all of the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. To begin the recipe, I am cutting about 3 tablespoons of butter and just putting that into a little bowl. And then I am also prepping my garlic. I am using this garlic press to just squeeze out my garlic, and then I'm also putting that into one of these little bowls. Next up, I am going to shred up my chicken. All I did was cook my chicken in my Instant Pot, and I just seasoned it up and cooked it up. You can either cook your chicken, you can bake it in the oven, you could boil it. You could also get one of those rotisserie chickens from the grocery store. You can use that too. Just shred it up all nice and finely so that you can stuff your enchiladas. Next up, it is time to make the sauce. First off, I start off by adding the butter to the pot and letting that melt up. Once the butter is all melted, I added in the crushed garlic. Alright, so I am just mixing the butter and the garlic all together, paying attention not to burn the garlic because garlic can burn really easy. So I just want to make it nice and brown and fragrant. You'll begin to smell it. So after the butter and the garlic is all mixed together, then I'm adding in some flour. This right here is called a roux. So I'm starting my sauce off with this roux mixture. So I'm just going to cook it until the flour is cooked out, until it browns a little bit. Until that, I am adding in some chicken broth. Alright, so because I started off with making a roux, this is going to thicken up. I'm just adding in different seasonings. You can add in whatever kind of seasonings you like and just stir it up and mix it up until it becomes thick. And honestly, actually, I lost some footage, but you're supposed to add in some sour cream and chilies also to it. Okay, let's take a quick break for viewer appreciation. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, watching all my videos, and leaving me comments. What I'm going to do is randomly select one comment from my videos each week and then spotlight them on one of my videos on the following week. So in order to be one of the ones that are picked, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and leave me comments. So once again, I want to thank everybody for subscribing, watching, and leaving me comments. Thank you so much. All right, back to the video. Now it is time to roll the enchiladas. All right, so first off, I am just getting my enchilada shells or burrito shells, however you want to use it, and filling them with the shredded up chicken. You might want to not put too much in there, but you know, enough. Anyway, so I'm putting the chicken in there and then I am adding some cheese on top of it. So my folding technique is something that I got from my high school job at Taco Bell. And every time I make something like this, I'm always reminiscing about those days back at Taco Bell. And sometimes I can be a little stickler about how my fajitas and my burritos and enchiladas and everything like that, actually how they're really rolled. And I've been trying to teach the kids, this is how you do it. But anyways, right, so honestly, it really didn't matter how you fold up your shells, your enchiladas, just as long as you fold them up and you get everything and keep everything in there. It really doesn't matter. But anyway, so after they are all folded and rolled, I am pouring on that delicious sauce that I made, and then I'm just spreading it all over all of my little chicken enchiladas. And then after that, I am topping all of that with some wonderful cheese. So I'm using the Monterey Jack cheese on there, and I am also going to use just a little bit of cheddar cheese. Let me know down in the comment box below, what is your favorite cheese? I really like cheddar. What about you? Let me know down below. All right, so all of that goes into the oven, 350 degrees, until it is all melty and gooey and bubbly just like this. And then it is time for dinner. I mean, look at that. Don't you just see how gooey and bubbly and all the steam coming off these enchiladas? So we just had it with a simple salad and it was delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you try out the recipe and don't forget to come back for more videos.